In this video, you'll learn how to make a Google Docs document landscape mode. This is especially useful if you're working with wide tables, charts, images, or any content that simply fits better horizontally than vertically. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you'll see it's actually very quick once you know where to look. First, open Google Docs. You can do this by going to the Google Docs website in your browser or by opening a document from your Google Drive. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you may be asked to log in before you can access your documents. Once you're in, either open an existing document that you want to change to landscape or create a new blank document if you're starting from scratch. It doesn't matter which option you choose because the page orientation setting works the same way in both cases. With your document open, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the menu bar. Here you'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. You'll want to click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options related to your document, such as sharing, downloading, and printing. From this File menu, move your cursor down until you find the option labeled Page Setup. Go ahead and click that. A page setup window will pop up in the center of your screen. This is where Google Docs keeps all the main layout settings for your document, including page size, margins, background color, and of course, orientation. Inside this page setup window, look for the section that says Orientation. You'll see two choices here, Portrait and Landscape. By default, most documents are set to Portrait, which is the standard vertical layout. To switch your document to a horizontal layout, click on Landscape. You should see the selection highlight or the radio button fill in to confirm that Landscape is now chosen. If you'd like, this is also a good moment to quickly check your margins in the same window. For example, if you're switching to landscape because of a wide table, you might want to slightly reduce the left and right margins to give yourself a bit more space. This is optional though, and you can always come back to page setup later to adjust margins if you need to. Once landscape is selected, look for the OK button at the bottom of the page setup window and click it. As soon as you do this, the window will close and your document will immediately refresh to show the new landscape orientation. You'll notice the page appears wider than it is tall, giving you more horizontal room for your content. If you decide you prefer the original layout, you can always repeat these same steps and switch back to Portrait at any time. Just remember, open the File menu, choose Page Setup, select the orientation you want, and click OK. That's all there is to it. You've now changed your Google Docs document to landscape mode, making it much easier to work with wide content and more flexible layouts.